I like it. I know, it's cute.
It looks so pretty.
I want to do and then I'm going to apply to part-time. So as long as
Buzz on in, Hunny, you look done watching.
One blustery day in the Hunny makeup room, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday! Ooh!
Look, Mama, look!
We'll save you, Piglet! First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Hello! Right this way!
Goodness gracious!
Steal honey! Beware! Beware! Have a lovely woozles! Have a lovely woozles! Steal honey! Beware! Beware! They're far! They're gone! They're here! They're quick! It's like they're real sincere! Beware! But if they're so choosels before your eyes, you see them multiply. What a wonderful dream!
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pooh!
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents.
Hope you like my present. Presents